Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric here, and I'm joined by my good friend Colin, and
Hello.
we're going to be unboxing the... You know what, Colin? Why don't you take it?
Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Kronos XVIII-500 Nerf gun under their new Nerf Rival series. So this is my new Nerf gun. We're going through a bit of a Nerf phase right now. So
True.
I went out to Walmart yesterday, picked up a gun, wasn't really happy with it, returned it, and got this one instead. So, first impressions, just looking at this gun, it's pretty badass. It looks cool. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I mean, let me look at this.
Take a look.
So, yeah, I mean, they do have a new white scheme. They have a little bit of a new insignia here.
Spartan.
That's pretty
yeah.
cool. Rival, a little bit faded out.
Uh-huh.
I like how it says 14 and up. That's pretty new for Nerf. That's pretty hardcore, in my opinion.
This is like the final level of Nerf. Once you get to 14 and up, you can't go any higher.
And they got little tiny squishy golf balls that you can feel through the box. And you got a lot of adults here. All these people here that are just playing it, they're all big adults.
They're all big 14 and up year olds.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So, another like kind of notion I got from this is it seems like they're really trying to take Nerf into like an airsoft type direction. Mainly because they have an FPS like count
90 FPS.
Yeah, 90 FPS, and they have like an accuracy thing. The gun looks a little more realistic than the past Nerf guns. They kind of ditched the old like blue and yellow color scheme.
Kind of like Stormtroopers.
Yeah.
This is a Stormtrooper gun. 100%.
Exactly why I got it. Let's get to opening this bad
Alright,
boy.
let's bust it open. Oh my
Just
god.
so you guys can see the back too, real quick before we dig in.
Right, the Phantom Core.
Yeah, Phantom Core. These guys are like the Marines of the Nerf world. Alright. So straight out of the box.
Okay.
Just stop cringing.
We got 4 balls here.
Straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. You know, it's pretty plain on this side, but let's see what's on the other. There it is. There it is.
Ooh.
Oh wow, this is actually very cool. See, I have pretty big hands, and it fits very nicely. This is a bit of a heftier gun than the past I've had. This seems like this lineup's version of the Maverick from way back in the day.
I can
with, like,
see
the
it.
rotating chamber.
I can see it.
All right. So we also have a little safety switch here, so you don't shoot your eye out.
I hate safeties on
Come
Nerf
on,
guns.
dude. You gotta be. Rule number 1 of gun safety
Okay, fine.
is to be safe when you play with guns.
Okay.
All right. So let's take a look at this instruction manual. I'm gonna see how we're gonna load this.
I'll start opening generic stuff. These golf balls.
Oh, that's very easy. Okay, so it seems like the loading system is this right here. You open this up and you just throw them in here.
Okay, bet.
I guess you gotta pull this guy.
This guy is trouble with the instructions.
Oh no.
Is it destroyed? Wait. What's wrong?
I don't know. Cut the video.
No, dude, this is a real unboxing. How many bullets are you supposed to have? 5?
Huh?
Is it supposed to just carry 5 bullets?
Alright, are we cutting this part?
Nah. It's fine. It's
Alright.
an unboxing.
Cringed out for a hot second, but it does move pretty well.
Alright, let's load them in. If you know how.
Yeah.
You do know how, right?
I believe so. Let me double check.
Yeah, it's been a while since we played Nerfs. Dude, what happened to the darts?
Okay. I was confused for a second because this does not look like it can take 5 rounds. Apparently it can. So we're going to test this out.
Okay, let's try it. Just Nerf gun
1,
explodes on the camera.
2. We got close the first time. 3, 4,
Oh, sweet.
and 5. It fits 5. Okay.
Oh my god.
That was a little unexpected.
We'll have to do some shots outside, but yeah, just fire one, just
All
anywhere.
right, let's see.
At the camera?
Yeah.
Fire it up in the air.
Wow.
That was cool. That was
a
cool.
lot stronger than I expected it.
Hype.
But, alright. So aside from getting a little confused earlier, this is actually a really solid gun so far. I haven't shot anyone with it just yet.
Alright, fine. Shoot me.
You want me to?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. 3, 2...
I thought you were going to shoot me in the head. That wasn't too bad, though.
Yeah.
They're about to blow my brains out.
Totally lost that bullet under the couch, though.
Oh, it's fine. You know what, dude? We can just cut it to some outdoor action. Or you know what? an accuracy test. That's what we're gonna do.
Accuracy test?
Yep, and then we're gonna give our final thoughts on the gun.
Let's do it.
We got Colin's first take of the brand new Nerf gun. We got a dartboard. What do you say, like 10 feet away?
Yeah, a good 10 feet.
All right.
Ready?
Yes.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Oh, that would seem pretty
Really
accurate.
Wow.
Hell yeah, dude. We're doing our Nerf distance and velocity test. Colin's gonna be firing this bad boy.
All right, ready?
Yes.
And go.
Ooh.
Yeah, that reached the
Oh.
street. That's
Yes.
awesome.
It's. Oh, there it is. There it is. Hype.
Right here.
Alright, you guys. So we did our test. We did our unboxing. There's not really a lot left. We got our final verdicts for the gun.
Mm-hmm.
You know, for me, as far as I go, it seems like a standard Nerf gun. To be honest, maybe a little bit farther in terms of distance from what I've seen. The circular balls are a nice touch as well. I feel like they could have the potential to be more aerodynamic as well with the golf design. Colin, what are your final verdicts?
Honestly, I'm very happy with this gun. I've never purchased one with the circular bullets before, but I'm all for it. These shoot far, they shoot hard. Like, if you get hit by these, you know you're hit. Some of those Nerf bullets, they'll tap you. You're like, I don't know, maybe I bumped into something. This you'll know that you got tagged by this. All in all, I'd say it's like a 9 out of 10 gun. It's fantastic.
Wow.
It's really great.
I'll go to 7 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.